Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I've got some seed trays full. Now, as I may have told you, I want a lot of tomatoes this year. So, I'm going to do quite a few of them. And I can never get these packets open. My life depended on it. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 4. So, looks like there's a big lump in that one. Yes, there was. Right, so this is tomato money maker and 240 seeds. I think I've got quite a few here for this year and next year. As I want a fair amount, I'm going to have this tray as my tomatoes. So I'm just going to dip a little hole in one. In fact, I'll dip it down with my finger, it's better. One row of money maker, but I'm going to put a couple of seeds in each. Oh, 3 in that one, never mind. Oh, that'll do. So what I'm going to do is every couple of weeks do a re-sowing. Whoops, and quite a few seeds have come out, never mind. Means I'll have more to choose from. So I'm not going to bother writing labels out for all of them. I'm going to try a different method, similar to muddy boots, but that's all I'm doing now is covering the seeds up. What I've also got is the tomato Saint-Marzane. Now I want quite a few of these because for canning, I'm going to be canning an awful lot of these. So I've done money maker in there. I'm going to do 2 rows of Saint-Marzane. Oops. Same again. Want about 2 seeds. If I get more than 2 like that, then fine, fair enough. Just means I've got more to choose from, more seedlings. And that's 2 rows of Saint-Marzane. What I've also got is an empty tray, and I just put in line with what I've been sewing in these trays, and then I can write it down in a book, label these up 1, 2, 3 and 4 and everything, which I haven't yet done, and then I can mark them down in my book. It saves me putting labels on things and then I can never read them. So that's the other tomatoes, and I'm doing these tomato black cherries. I had them the other year, grew them, and they were lovely. So I want to do a few more again. The Samosa are going to be for canning. The money maker will be for eating fresh and dehydrating, and these black cherry ones will be for eating fresh. So same again, just down there. So hopefully these will all either take, be potted on, that's it. So I'll wait a couple of weeks and see how these are going on, and then I might sow just a few more. So I'll water these in and then put them in my Hiji propagator. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Although I've got them sorted out, I'm not sure if I'm going to do it now. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect